Sorry for the delay. Just okay. Can you see my screen now?
It's not.
Okay. Okay. Last class, what we discussed, RKF and CKF, new formula, new selection. Any doubts in that? If you want to know any clarification in that, we will discuss again. If you are clear, then we'll move forward.
It's clear.
Okay. Fine. Fine. It's very like no RKF, CKF is very important. Okay, so they will ask every interview. Okay, let me see other one. So I'm creating new query, right, for conditions and exceptions. So always we have to follow the naming convention in the real time. Okay, like this. So this means this is complete product. On top of this complete product, we are creating the query. So Q0001, why I given might be on top of this complete product, 10 queries are there. The 10, second one, like this we will give. Okay, third query, fourth query, fifth query, like this we will give. Okay, finally 10th query it will come like this. So that is, we will follow the naming convention in the real time. Okay. And okay, in the conditions, we'll discuss more and how to create a variable in the conditions, how you can give the top customers, top end customers. You can discuss in the interview also, okay, by using conditions. We can display the report for the top end customers. Some people, some business people will ask you, I want a top end customer report. Who done the sales very good? Okay, from us. Okay, now who is the customer? Yes. And where is the amount? Hmm. I want to analyze top end customer report. So how we will do it? So based on this, based on the conditions, I can create the top end customer report. Okay, how to create that we will see here. So where we will create the conditions. So in older version, we having a different option. Okay, let me show you that as well. Okay. We have older version or not query designer. You type query designer. If we have, then fine. So just click on this. Okay, in the older version, how you will create the conditions, I will show you. Comparing. Okay, there and there. In the BW on HANA or BW for HANA, same screen. And if it is a older version, then we'll go for query designer. In the query designer, how you will create the conditions, we'll see. So here we having a separate option condition tab. They given it. So whereas in the older version, we don't have separate tab. Okay, it will create separate tab. Okay, now we are trying to add. So by using conditions, we are controlling the key figure. Remember this. By using RKF, CKF, new selection, new formula, we are not going to control any key figure. So by using conditions, we can control the key figure. How you are controlling? You are giving the condition, you are creating the condition. So based on the condition only, it is displaying the data, but not like that RKF, CKF. Correct, na? So, okay, here we have a different operators. You can explain in the interview also. While creating the condition, by using condition, we can control the key figure. We can control the key figure based on the operator. Based on the operator and key figure. So what is the operator? If you want to do top end customers, yes, top end customer. So I will give only five. I will give only five. Okay. My requirement is I want to display the report in the for the sales report, top end customer report. In the report level, it display top end customer. Okay, now let's execute. How will get the technical name? This one. Copy this technical name. Okay, here you have a old version. So same query I will open here. Okay, same query I will open. So I'm clicking on it. So why it is not coming? Any observation here? In the screen, any observation? I'm searching it, so I'm not getting it. So first you
So I'm
need to,
searching for
uh,
yeah, searching for technical names. So the selection will be a description.
very good observation. See here. So sometimes no, you will not identify what is this conditions, what is this complete protest. So you will not understand, right? So we are looking for this ZCP 01 Q double zero Q triple zero one. But why it is showing like this? So here you need to click on technical bro. I'm always telling you in the spawner. I'm also always telling you spawner. So spawner means what is this? Hardware. So if you want to know the details of this one, so you will go here on top of this a composite provider, we created the Bex query. So you can in the real time also many queries are there with the same name. ZCP underscore 001 Q triple zero one name would be there, but technical name not same. Okay, technical name should be only once, might be underscore test. Okay, in the real time it will be there. Okay, you don't confuse. Okay, we are searching for only Q triple zero one. Don't select others. Okay, so this is the old version. In the same way, so is it difficult? No, right? So here we have a see here we have a separate tab as to conditions, but see how you will do it. There is a option, this one, conditions. So we need to click this one. If you want to do exceptions, so click this one. So like these options will come. Okay, in the old version. Again, you have to go rows, columns. See, it is there. I already created conditions. So double click. So now I can see top five. So already it is replicated the changes to Bex query as well. Okay. Now, if you want to close or you can, so you are okay, right? So both tools are same, right? Not much difference. Okay, you have to be familiar with both. That is the way I'm telling you. In the real time, see, this is locked by user HANA because we opened two times. Okay, in this case, what you do? What you do for locks? SM12, enter and execute. Username is HANA only. So this is open in two times. So the lock will create, okay? You are creating here, we already clicked exceptions. Okay, that is the way lock is coming, okay? Now go here and save it. Now I will execute it. Excel, don't confuse. If you do practice multiple times, there is no confusion. Pawan also selected for one of the company, bro. Okay. That guy also not reading every day. Okay. He is not doing practical as well. Okay. But he is selected. He will face issues once he join. So maybe tomorrow also you will select. Okay. If you are doing practical, there is no issue. If you are not doing any practical, it will be trouble to you. Okay. Definitely will get job. Okay. Not today. Might be tomorrow. Day after tomorrow you will get it. But who will do work? Okay. Now you can see like this. Okay. So now you can see what we drag and drop here. We drag and drop only customer and amount and quantity. Okay, now you can see top n customers who is top done the calculations. Okay, let me open other query or without conditions I will open. So you can switch off also conditions here. Right click. Where is the see here? Remove this condition. You will get complete values. See here. What are all the top five? You can see here only. This is the 50,000, 48, 46, 44, 42. So are we getting top five? This only, just observe it, okay? Just observe it. Based on the amount only we are doing, not quantity. Remember, in the condition we used the amount only. So now you can right click and go to conditions. Are we getting, is it working as expected? Correct, na? It is working, right? As expected, top end customers. So some people will expect like this, and this is hard coded. Okay, we already given top n. Okay, we already given top five. Okay, in the number we given it condition level, we given number top n, but five values only to display. So you can do changes as well. Okay, double click, and now if you want, you can do changes as well. Okay, like this, and save it. Okay, just save it. Once you refresh, how you will refresh? First select this one. Okay, select this and reset data source. Now you will get the, okay, now you will get the, see, 10, top 10 report. Okay, so now you are getting in the same sequence only, right? Correct, na? This is top end. Top to bottom it is coming. Top end means, okay. So now, my requirement is dynamically, I will enter the number. Dynamically, I will enter the number 5 or 10 or 3 or who done the top 10. I want to know only top 10 customers for 2 or 3. Dynamically, I need to give. So this is hard coded. You done hard coded. Every time it will come 10. So not like, I am not expecting like this. So in the runtime, it has to ask every time we will execute the report. So it has to ask me, okay, how we will do it. So we need to create the one variable. Okay. So if we refresh again, so we'll get only five. So you are doing some changes in the backend. Here I'm expecting like no here. So when you execute report, it has to ask, please enter top n customer number. So I will give five. Only it has to give five. Again I will refresh. It will ask the variable pop-up. And then I will give only three. So I will get only three. So runtime it has to come. I don't want to do any changes in the backend level. Understood? So like this, we'll see how we will implement that scenario. Okay, go to here and how we'll create the variable here. Select, double click. Here you have a variable, okay. So here you can give number statistic or else you can go here. Select variable. Okay. Here already ready-made variables are there. Ready-made variables are there. So somebody created variable. Okay, select this one. What is the top n value? Okay. So I will show you, I will create also. Okay. Where is the option to create an up variable? Do we have any option? No, we don't have any option to create it here. So double click See, instead of value, I'm taking variable. Okay, click OK. And saving. Okay, I'm saving. So this is started with 0. That means SAP only provided. SAP only provided this variable. Okay. Okay. Now you can refresh the report. Now go here and refresh it. It is not asking at all. It is not working. Okay. They hard coded 3. Okay. What is the type of this variable? First you need to understand. We are getting only 3. We are getting only 3. But this, what kind of variable this one? I need to check it. Where it was there? 0 NOP value, condition variable. So this is kind of variable in the formula level. So we need to go formula and check it. Okay. 0 NOP. Okay. How we will check this one? Go here, double click. Do we have any options here? Do we have any options? We need, okay, I will, okay, it is input. It is asking input, okay. And okay, okay. Now we'll see. Now we will see. And you can refresh it. You can refresh. So ready-made variables also you can use it. So now it is asking formula input. Okay. They created formula variable with the replacement path. Formula variable with the replacement path, they used it. Okay. Now you can view. No, formula variable with characteristic value, I guess. Okay. This is manual input, right? Formula variable with the replacement path they are using. Now I will give only 2. Okay. Sorry, 2. Now automatically it is not changing at all. Okay. Again I will refresh. No, this is also not working. Every time 5 only. Change. Okay. Now you can refresh it. So now we can keep 1. See, top one only it is coming. If you give number in the real time, so like this, some people will expect like this, okay? Some people will expect like this. That we need to work accordingly, customer requirement. How many? 15. You can see 15 count in the bottom. Okay? So like this, right? You are clear, right? How it will work top in customers through conditions. Also, okay, this is dynamic way, dynamic way. We didn't. How to create this variable, we'll see. I think we need to go, we'll see. Okay. I will go to dependence. I will go to dependence and where it was created. See here, what is the type of formula variable? This is variable, formula variable, manual input default value, manual input default value, and you can create reference variable processing input. Okay, and you can go currencies, you can go okay number only. So he taken only number only. We have to enter number default ways. Nothing will be there. Okay, nothing will be there. So total, they just created only formula variable with the manual input default value. How you will create? That is question. How we will create formula variable? Okay. So what we do here, go to sheet definition. Okay. Right click, go to new formula, go to new formula. So now I will go to here. So here, am I getting variables all? What is the variable name, that one? Which we have used. What is the name of that? Sorry, dependence. ZF where one. Correct, no? ZF where one. I will create new formula. You can search for ZF where. ZF. This one only, right? This one only they created. Okay, close. So we don't have option to create there also, there also. So now Hmm. Where is the okay, on top of where top end customers, right? Where is customer? Where is the customer here? Here. Okay, right click. Sorry, values. Now I'm going to create. What is the type of this one? Create. And what is the value? Manual to default value. Okay. What is the name of this one? Jadware formula. Okay, I'll give like this. And then please enter one value for top end customers. Top end customer report. Just we will give like this name. Okay. As per your requirement, you can give description. And click finish. Click finish. So you can see formula manual to default value. So this one, what is the use of this one? So when I execute this report, is it asking refresh report? This only input, ready for input. This only ready for init. This one only. If you remove, then it will not ask bro. If you remove. If you stick the tick mark, then only it will work. So you need to check and you need to decheck, then you will come to know. Okay. So is it like optional or mandatory? Is it optional or mandatory? So here he given full, okay, mandatory. So if I remove, then it will work. It will throw the error. See what is throwing error? Specify a value for variable formula input. Okay, this is like mandatory. Mandatory means what? So here I am taking optional. If I give value, then fine. If we select this first value, mandatory with the initial means we need to enter the some value, that number like 1 2 3, not like sometimes also hash value also you can enter any number also, initial also blank, I mean hash value you can enter it. If you select the last option mandatory without initial means, so it should not be blank, even you cannot enter hash value also. It will allow only number 1, 2, 3, or 100. It will not allow hash values. The first value, first option is it will allow hash value, also number. You can try with this all options. While you are doing practical, you check with mandatory with initial, you check with mandatory without initial, and optional. I'm selecting optional. So when you select this optional, then I will not get this star option. I will not get off star option. See, let's see. Save, save. I'm saving it. Okay. Now close this one. Okay. What is the formal name? Just remember this. Just that's it. Jetware form. Okay. Close. I'm going to use same formula. Okay. Where conditions? Go conditions, and here double click. Double click. Double click. Go and select here. Where is our formula? This one only, right? Whichever we created now, that I selecting. Okay. Select it and save it. So we saw it. Okay. And now you know how to create. Now you know how to create formula variable with a manual input default value variable. Okay. Okay. Now I will cancel and refresh it. Okay. When I refresh, okay, first select this and then refresh data source. Completely we are refreshing it. Now I'm getting complete value. Okay. Again, is it saved completely? So now here you are getting option. You are getting option, bro. So here you can see, please enter one value for top end customers. I can, if I will not give value, so I will give two. Okay. I'm getting only two. So you can see. It's working, right? Top n means 50, 48. Now I will not give any enter. I will not give any input. So there is no star here. Okay. Okay. So I'm getting everything. This is how it will work. Okay. Right click and you can switch off this also. Okay. You can on as well. Okay. So like this will work. And go back and again refresh it. Okay. This is how it will work. If you want to make as a, if you don't want to see this input, if you don't want to see input, then you need to go. What is the use of creation of variable? So, okay. You need to do while you are creating, where you created. I'll go here, I'll go dependencies and double click it. Double click it. Okay. If you remove this one, then it will not ask. Okay. If you remove this one, it will not be useless. Even if you are using in the report also useless. Okay. Close. And I will select this option. Okay. Refresh. See, there is no meaning to use it. Okay, there is no meaning to use in the report level. See, this is only saying it. There is no meaning. Why you are using that variable? You are not giving input. Why you are using that variable top end customer? This is what throwing error. Got it right? System only. System will not understand why you are using formula variable without input. Okay, I am selecting again. So now I will not get any error. You can see. Now I will not get any error. Refresh all. No, now I'm getting it. And now you can refresh. So now it is asking again. So I want to keep it like no. I want to keep it like mandatory. I want to keep it like mandatory. So see, for top end customers, they have to keep mandatory. They have to keep mandatory. Okay. So let me do it. Okay. How we will do it? That one mandatory. Here, you need to select this. I will show you this option as well, okay? And save it. Save it. And then do the refresh. Now it should, we have to give, otherwise it will not allow, okay? So now it is came star. Are you getting me? Are you following me? Star is came. Now we have to enter value. So I will not enter any value. We'll see. See what is, system is scolding me. Okay. Now you can give two or three. Okay. Okay. Now we'll see three. You are clear, right? This part. So again, I'm making. So one more check. We need to do it. Okay. Hash value also we need to enter. I'll not enter. I'll not enter. I will not enter any value, but I will give hash value. Entered. Okay. I will enter blank value. Otherwise, I will enter blank value. Okay, basically, so even you can give blank value also, it will allow. Okay, we don't have hash values as of now. We don't have any hash values in the as of now. That is the way it is not. So in the report level, we have to know like no, we should have one value. So here you can see C25, 24, 23, right? Here should be blank. Here some value. Here some value. That means customer have a blank value. So in that case, it will work. Got it. So if I select this one, it will allow only values. It won't allow hash values in that. Okay. If I do refresh again, okay. Now you can see it. 7. Okay. Now you can see. So it won't allow any hash values, bro. So in the real time, it won't allow null values, blank values. Even if we have C25, 23, 20, 29, but here we have a customer is blank. Assume like one more record is there, assume. Okay.
Mm.
So see, customer number is not there, but amount and quantity is there. So that time it will not allow because we selected different option without initial. So it will throw the error. For other option with the initial value, it will allow. Okay, when you are creating the designing data model, you take one customer blank value, then you will get it. So you need to make it like no in the DSO itself, one value is blank, but this value it should be there amount and quantity, but customer should be blank. That value only will come at that time. Okay. So in here, how you will create conditions in the older version? Double click and now you can add it. Same thing. Okay. Same only, same approach only. Okay. I'm closing this one. Okay. You clear right this option? You clear right this formula variable with the characteristic as of now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we created conditions. So what interview, how you will tell conditions? By using conditions, by using conditions, we can control the key figure. We can control the key figure based on the operators. Based on the operators. Operators means greater than, less than, uh, less than or equal to, greater than equal to, okay, between, between. You try with all other options. Okay, I given only equal. Okay, now, okay, not equal. This is not equal, ma. This is not equal. Okay, greater than, equal to, greater than, less than. These are all options are there. Top n, top n, top bottom is there. Top bottom is there. These all options are there. Okay. So you can tell in the interview by using conditions, we can control the key figure based on the operators. Greater than, less than, greater, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, between, okay, equal, not equal, top n, bottom n, okay, bottom n. So many options are there here. So you go here and you can prepare the concept, okay, double click here and you can see the values, where is the options will come, okay. Not here. Okay, go to here and here you will get it the options. You will get the options. Okay, double click here and you can note it down in the your notebook. Okay, equal, not equal, less than, greater than, less than, okay, greater than, equal to, and between, not between, okay, between, not between as well. Okay, top end, bottom end, top percentage, bottom percent. I never use top percentage and but even in my life. Okay, I never created conditions till now, entire my career. Okay, top sum. Okay, in case if you get any opportunity, you have to create like this. Okay, clearer? I never created conditions till now. Only in the practice system I created. That's what I want to say. Okay, close. Okay, now we'll see exceptions. So I'm removing this one. Okay, I'm removing. Create. If you want to duplicate, you can duplicate it. Another one will come. You can make it other one. You can create, if you can change anything. Okay. This is where you can do it. Instead of creating, you can duplicate and you can change it based on your requirement. So I'm creating it. Okay. I'm changing. Okay. I'm not using now. Okay. I'm not using any variable. Okay. Save it. So it will go. I'm not using variable. I'm not using variable in my Bex query. Okay. Now I want to create exceptions. I want to create exceptions. Okay. Now what I will do in the sheet definition, where is my sales are? I'll drag and drop my sales arc as well. Okay. Now I will save it. Now I will save it. Okay, these are all characteristic properties, bro. I selected sales org and material, and these are all characteristic property. If you want to sort by, okay, if you want to sort direction, and these options you can use it. Okay, if you want to display key and text. So I don't want to display key and text. Okay, for everything. Okay, select all and you can do it at one time. So I'm selecting it and I'm giving like no, only key, only key. Only key. Okay. So if you want to change the name in the report level, I don't want to see customer number. Okay. I want to see only customer. How you will do it? So I will go here. I'll go here. Okay. I will give only customer. I will give only customer. So you can make it, okay, however you are comfortable for your reporting. I want to give sales arc as well. I want to give sales arc as well. How I want to give. Okay, I want to give only sales arc. Okay, I want to give only sales arc. So you can make it comfortable in the report level. Here I want to give material number. So I'm covering these all options as well. Okay, and this is like no variable. You cannot make it. Let me try. Let me try. Okay, material number. I'm saving it. Okay, and also I'll make it like key. I'll make it like key. By default, it is coming key and text. I'm saving it. Now, okay, just a refresh, you will come to know how it is coming. Now, refresh all, refresh all. Now we are getting customer, sales or material number. This is the report. Now I want to do conditions. What exceptions you want to do? So wherever more than 30,000 amount, wherever, I mean, amount or quantity, okay, more than 30,000, then it has to show in the green color. It has show in the green color. Or else, if it is a more than 40,000, it will show in the green color. Okay, I'll make it. How you will do it? So by using exceptions, we can make the colors in the report level. Right click and I'm creating exception. Very simple, this one. So here you can see alert level. Double click. Sorry, need to add it. Okay. So now here you can see alert level is good one, good two, good three, critical one, critical three, bad one, bad two, bad three. So good one, good two, good three means what it is. So if you select good one, good two, good three, it will show in the green color. If you select critical one, two, three, then it will show in the yellow color. If you select bad one, two, three, then it will show in the red color. Okay, I'm selecting good one. And what is the condition? My condition greater than equal to 50,000 or 40,000. Sorry, 40,000. Okay, I'm giving it and save it. Are you getting me? I'm not doing anything. Okay, I'm just giving alert level, giving good one and giving the operator and amount. So this is anything like condition, I mean amount or quantity, anything.